Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to make use of order by clause. So how are we going to use this? So that is what we are going to learn here. So let me make use of my table first. My table is here employee table, which is there under training database. So since you already know, if at all you are not using the right database, first use this query, use training, and then query execute current statement. You are using the current database, and then run this query, and then you will see the employee table data. So now if I wanted to use order by class, select star from employee order by. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to see the employee names in the ascending order. So ascending order based on the alphabets. If you see here, Pavan, Ramu, Venkat, Raja, Kalyan. So that means you have some more records, Vamshi. So that means it has to follow the sequence according to the first letter. So ascending order. So to sort the data, we will be using the order by class. Now if I run this program, see what is going to happen. See here, Kalyan, K has come first, then P. If you look at P, Q, after that R, that is R Raja has come, Ramu has come, and then last Vamsi. If you look at Raja and Ramu, so R, R, A, and the next letter is J and here M. So J comes first, that's the reason Raja has been displayed on the top. So that is how the sorting order will get displayed. So if you look at here, I did not specify anything like ascending. So whenever you are using order by class, by default, it will show in the ascending order. So if you give ascending order or if you don't give also, it will display in the ascending order only. But if I wanted to display in the descending order, that means Vamsi, Ramu, Raja, Pavan and Kalyan. So in that case, I have to specify DESC, descending order. Now run the program and see what is going to happen. See here, Venkat, Vamshi, Ramu, Raja, Pavan. So how can you say that this order is correct? See, if you look at V letter, E letter, A letter. So if you see descending order, so V, okay, both of them are same. Then it will take the next letter, that is E and A. So Vamshi did not come because I am using descending order. So descending order means E will come first and then next A. That's the reason Venkat and then Vamsi has come. Then Ramu, Raja and the last one is Pavan. So if you see here, it is comparing with the first letter. So hope you all know what is ascending order and descending order according to the alphabets. So this is how you will be making use of order by clause. So what is the syntax? Select star from employee order by the column name whatever you wanted to. So you may get a question, if I wanted to do the sorting on two columns, so how are we going to do? Let's say take same query, select star from employee order by employee name, comma, employee name ascending order, comma, employee city descending order, colon. See what is going to happen now. You can do whatever the way you want, but it will consider based upon the condition whatever you are giving. First it will check for employee ascending order, and based on that the employee city descending order will be considered. The first priority will be given to employee ascending order. Let's say Kalyan and Pavan, Raja, Ramu, Vamsi. This is in the ascending order. First this will be sorted out. If any of the names are common, then only it will go and check the employee city, and that will consider the descending order. So let us say if you have some record with the same Kalyan name, then it will go and check for the employee city. So you can try it out and understand what is the difference between when you are having combination of ascending and descending order. So let's say if I give descending and then here ascending, see now what is going to happen. If you run the query, go here, query current statement, and see Venkat, Vamshi, the same way, however, the first record has come, that has come. And if you look at the employee city is in the ascending order according to the first one only. So first you need to understand how the data is getting captured and how the comparison is happening between the letters. Based on that, the sorting order will be displayed. So this is how you will be using order by clause. So what is the purpose of ordering order by clause? Order by clause is used to sort the results either in ascending order or in descending order. So that is the purpose of order by clause. And now if I wanted to display the top three records, okay, now I will remove this and I'll just have only my employee table. Let's say if I run this query, see what is going to happen. So I got this table. So now I wanted to see only first three records, Pavan, Ramu and Venkat. So in that case, I have to use, since we are learning MySQL, here you will have to use a keyword called limit 3. Okay, if you run this and then execute the program, you will be able to see first three only. So what is the keyword you are using in MySQL or MySQL? You are using a keyword called limit. If you are using SQL Server, then there is one more keyword called top keyword. Okay, I'm not going to talk too much on the other things. So the purpose of this query is, how do you display the first three records? That is the question. So if they ask you, say you are working on MySQL, then you have to say, I will use limit keyword. So how do you do that? Select star from employee limit 3. That will give you first three records. But if at all they ask you, what is the key you use for SQL Server, then you will have to tell top keyword. Select top 3. You will be going to write like this. Select top 3 star from employee. So this is how the query, the query we will be writing for SQL Server. Okay, if at all you are using rkill, then there will be a keyword called row, so which that we are not going to discuss it here. But for currently, whenever somebody asks you MySQL database, whenever you are trying to limit the rows or first three records, you will use a keyword called limit. So this is how you will display the records. Now what I wanted to do is, I wanted to use the limit condition, and also I wanted to make use of where condition also to that. So when I say limit with where, how are we going to display? Okay, so let's say if I have to write select star from, let's say first I'll show you what is here. Select star from employee table, execute it, and see here. Now I wanted to display the age which is less than 36. Okay, 35 is here, 36 is here, 33 is here, 38 is here. Okay, I wanted to display only first records which are less than or equal to 36. In that case, what I am going to do is select star from employee where employee age, we know that condition, right? Less than or equal to 36, limit 3. So if I write limit 3, then it will display 3 records. Then see 35, 36, 33. If I give limit 2, then it will display 2 records, 35 and 36. So this is how you are going to use the limit keyword, which will give you a restriction on the number of rows which needs to be displayed on a particular table. So the question will be like this. So from a table in MySQL, you have to display first three records. So first three records, then you are going to use the condition called limit. Select star from employee, limit 3, or the number of records, whatever the number you want, you can give that. This is one way of doing it. Now I'm going to show you one more table. Select star from products. If you look at here, we see there are various rates. Okay, so in this table, I wanted to know the minimum value, minimum price value. So what is the minimum price value here? If you look at 100, 10, 200, 150 and 100. So the minimum price is 100 rupee, 10 rupees. Now if I have to display that, select minimum price from product. That is the table name. If you write like this and run the query, then it will display minimum price. See, whatever you have written here, that minimum price has come. Now, if I wanted to do the same thing for maximum price, maximum price. So if you look at this query, you will be able to see the maximum price, that is 80 rupees. Okay. So let me see. Is it 80? It's 200, right? Why it is coming? Yeah, product table, query, execute. We have PRIC. It should come the maximum value. I'll correct that. Before that, what I'm going to show you is, if I wanted to write select minimum price, see here, minimum price has come. So now what I wanted to do is, I don't want to see this column name. I wanted to see is lowest. If I have to do that, you have to write minimum price as lowest. That means it will give it as a column name and then display the value. Let me go here and then see, lowest has come. So similarly, you are going to write the highest from product. Okay. It should be the highest value, but why it is not coming? Let me check. Query current statement. Is it 80 or 800? 80 only. PRICE, minimum, maximum. Product ID. Keyword does not matter. Not sure why it is not getting displayed, but I'll correct this in our next session. And so this is how, whenever you have to run the minimum and maximum prices, you are going to make use of this and then display the values. So what is that we have seen in this session? We have used order by clause, and we have used how you are going to make use of limit, and you have understood what is min and what is max. Okay.